Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login help. So if you're facing the issue that your power button ends your call every time you press on it, then here's how to fix that issue. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, head on over to your settings. Now, if you have an MI phone, you'll see a similar interface to this. Even if you don't, under your settings option, you'll be able to see the accessibility option. Under MI, you'll find this under additional settings. Tap on it and then you'll be able to see accessibility option. Select it. Go ahead to physical accessibilities. Over here, you should be able to see power button ends call option. So if this is enabled, then it may be the reason why your power button ends your call. So you simply disable this feature and this issue should be resolved. Now your power button will no longer be responsible for ending your call, and this is how you can resolve your issue. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.